Hi everyone, Albert Gallivant here. Now, excuse me, this is me on my laptop. So let's have a look at what direction the Lothian 16... no, I didn't ask for Stuart in the Kilmarnock. Thank you. Now, as you can see, it runs from Bonaly to Silverknowes and appears to take about an hour and 20 minutes. So, after getting off the 909 Citylink, walking up to Princess Street, Waverley Steps. I know where Waverley Steps is, so I'm imagining that Silverknowes will be heading westbound. I would imagine. Stop PM, and then it's got Brockton, Annandale Street. Annandale Street, aye. Then we've got Hillside at Shrub Hill, and Leith Foot of the Walk. Now that's heading eastbound, because Leith Walk is just up Princess Street. Unless I'm getting this mistaken. Let's have a quick look at the route map, if it shows me it. Right. So this, as we can see here, is the 16 route map. I would imagine that some journeys will continue down towards the A720, which is the Edinburgh City Bypass, past Gorgie. Excuse me. Where some journeys will continue down this little bit here, towards where the 16 is terminated here, heading to Silverknowes. So that must be Bonaly down there. So, what I think we'll do tomorrow is we'll go to Silverknowes and we'll start the journey, which on the map will be here, 16 to Torfin. Okay, must be two separate 16 journeys then. Have a look. Oh yeah, Bonaly at Torfin Terminus. It says here. Right, okay, I understand now. So yeah, I think that's how we'll do it. We'll go from... I'll board the bus on Princess Street. Let's see where I would board it, heading that direction. West End Lothian Road. Right, so we board at Princess Street at Waverley Steps, heading towards Silverknowes. Okay, that's fine. And then we'll do the video. We'll do the video from Silverknowes to Bonaly on the 16. Okay? That's how we'll do it. The turn journey will be done at a later date whenever I get around to it. So search 44. And there's 69 44s. Oh yeah, I'm going to go from Chesterfield to Sheffield. Well, maybe one day. Maybe one day, you never know. For goodness sake, that's not me spell Lothian. Now, after travelling to Bonaly, we'll come back, excuse me, we'll come back into the city centre of Edinburgh. And I'm just trying to work this out. Because if we get off at the West End Lothian Road, where would we get a 44? Waterloo Place. So I don't know if we'll be able to get off somewhere where we could connect to the 44. Let me check the route map. See, that's kind of similar to the 16. Kind of similar when it's running parallel with the A720. So I think what we'll do, let me get rid of that. There we go. And as soon as I get rid of one advert, another one appears. Right, so once we've been to Bonaly, because we're doing it at Silverknowes to Bonaly, we will come back to the city centre, jump off at Waterloo Place if we can, or as close to the city centre as we can. And would it be easier going to Wallyford, maybe? If we're at the West End, it might be Shandwick Place, just before Haymarket. Might be just as easy to go to Balerno. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll do the 44 between Balerno and Wallyford. Or White Craig, whatever bus comes before it. If we get one that goes beyond Wallyford to White Craig, yeah, that's what we'll do. But it only terminates here at a certain time, so probably just Wallyford. So we'll do it from Balerno to Wallyford. And the return journey from Wallyford to Balerno will be done at a later date. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.